Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to copy wallet address in Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page, you will be able to see this deposit button. So you need to tap on deposit. Now for any reason, if you are not able to see the deposit tab on the home page, then what you need to do is to simply tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see the deposit tab. So simply need to tap on deposit and then you will be landed on this deposit page where you will be able to see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit in your Binance account. So among these given cryptocurrencies, you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency, the wallet address of which you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy the wallet address of USDT. So I'll simply type USDT in the search bar and then it will ask me to choose the network. Here you will be able to see bunch of different associated networks like TRC20, BNB, Polygon, Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum 1, etc. So over here you just have to choose that particular network that you want to use to deposit your USDT or any other coin that you have selected. For example, I want to choose TRC20. So after selecting TRC20, it will show you the QR code as well as your deposit address. So in order to copy it, you will have to tap on this copy button right next to it, and then it will show you this prompt that your wallet address is now copied. Now you can use this wallet address to deposit your USDT into Binance account. Let's say you want to find the wallet address of BNB. So in the search bar, you simply need to search for BNB, and once you tap on BNB, it will again ask you to choose the network. Now this time, let's say I want to choose the network of BEP20. So after choosing it, it will show you the QR code of the BEP20 network of BNB and the deposit address. So again, if you want to copy it, then you will have to tap on the copy tab right next to it, and this way your wallet address will be copied. So this is how you can easily copy your wallet address on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.